I'm sure you're already familiar with Minecraft. Honestly, who doesn't these days? But you might be asking yourself, why would this even be in a YouTube automation tutorial? Well, let me explain. There's a creator who only posts short, simple Minecraft videos. That's it. But what's the result? Over 15 million subscribers and over 6 billion views. Amazing, right? And there are many other channels. And that's just one example. Another channel with the same style has now reached 1 million subscribers and over 700 million views. There's even another channel that followed the exact same strategy and is now on its way to 1 billion views with 4 million subscribers. If you look closely, all of these channels have one thing in common. They're all built around Minecraft. And because the genre is still incredibly popular, many creators have turned it into a serious source of income. In fact, a large part of the work is almost done for them automatically. That's why in this video I'm going to show you how you can start your own Faceless channel from scratch, a channel in the Minecraft genre, but with a clever twist. Most of these channels stick to pure Minecraft content, but I started experimenting with combining Minecraft with other viral trends like the popular Game of Thrones universe. The result? Beyond expectations. The hybrid video immediately began to attract a huge stream of viewers. The secret to this strategy is the use of artificial intelligence, which does about 90% of the hard and time-consuming work for you. What you'll learn in this video can become a starting point for building your first successful channel. So the first step is to create a fully branded YouTube channel that fits the Minecraft vibe from the start. Before that, make sure to hit the like button. It's completely free, so let's go. First, log in to ChatGPT, then enter the prompt I have prepared. I have placed this prompt in my Telegram channel for easy access. As soon as you enter this prompt in ChatGPT, you will be generated with great ideas and prompts in a few moments. Interestingly, these ideas are designed based on the style and popularity of great people like Mr. Beast, Elon Musk, and even Cristiano Ronaldo. Therefore, you will not only get ready-made and creative prompts, but you can also create content that has a higher chance of going viral and attracting an audience from the very beginning. Now it's time to enter the Voila AI site. This platform is a powerful artificial intelligence tool that can automatically generate almost everything for you, from text and scripts to images and even professional and engaging videos. Voila AI is specially designed for social networks, YouTube, and has amazing features. Create accurate and relevant video scripts for both short and long content, with the aim of keeping the audience engaged until the end. Tools for creating faceless videos, converting images to videos, cartoon styles, manga, educational, anime, travel, and dozens of other possibilities. Intelligent analysis of successful videos to increase the chances of going viral. Produce suitable content for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and websites, perfectly tailored to the algorithm and needs of each platform. I have included the site link in the description section. Just log in and complete a simple registration. Now that you have successfully completed your registration process, you will enter the main dashboard of Voila AI. This is the environment where all the advanced features and tools of this platform are available to you. The dashboard is designed in such a way that even novice users can work with it without confusion. When you enter the dashboard, you will see a few key and frequently used sections. Now, with the video cloner, you can recreate almost any video in just a few clicks. Simply copy a video URL from YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, paste it into the cloner section, and hit generate. Within moments, you'll have a brand new video that mirrors the structure, pacing, and style of the original. I tested it myself. I grabbed a random video, dropped its URL into Video Cloner, and within minutes I had a recreated version sitting on my screen. Honestly, it felt unreal, but it worked flawlessly. The best part? You're not limited to just copying. You can customize the output with powerful tweaks. Add background music or ambient effects, swap or enhance sound effects, adjust pacing and flow, choose an entirely new style or vibe. This means the final product isn't just a duplicate, it's your own personalized, re-engineered version, designed to capture the same viral energy while standing out as something original. Video generation. This section is designed to produce professional and intelligent videos. Using it, you can prepare videos that are suitable for both social networks and YouTube in the shortest possible time. Image generation. If you need to produce creative, accurate, and appropriate images for different topics, this section will provide you with the best output with the help of artificial intelligence. Article generation. This feature is suitable for those who want to produce articles, scripts, and texts ready for publication. High speed and smooth writing make this tool a great assistant for content producers. Video cloner. One of the new and outstanding features of Voila AI is this section. Using this feature, you can create videos similar to successful examples and take advantage of the best smart copying techniques. This feature is especially useful for those who want to have professional videos without spending a lot of time. The combination of these tools has made Voila AI find a special and distinguished place among AI platforms and become one of the best choices for content producers, marketers, and even big brands. To continue, I will enter the video generation section as an example. After clicking on it, you will be presented with a few main options: solo script, scenes, avatar. Each of these options has a different design. For example, scenes is suitable for when you want the video to be created in multiple scenes, or avatar is used to use digital characters and made-up faces. But here I choose the solo script option, because it is much easier and faster to get started. Next, you need to specify the aspect ratio of the video. Choosing the aspect ratio is very important, because videos on different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok require different dimensions. Then you enter the Create Your Script section. In this section, you need to enter the prompt that you have already prepared in ChatGPT. This step is the most important part of the process, because the quality of the output depends a lot on the text of your prompt. A precise and creative prompt can make the output of your video many times more attractive. After that, you reach the Select Your Style section. Here you choose whether your video will be more of a still image or a full, animated video. Next, in the Choose Image Source section, there are 3 options. AI. Generate images automatically by artificial intelligence. Internet. Use images available on the web. Custom. Upload your own images. After selecting the image source, you need to determine the video quality in the Video Quality section. Then, in the Select Your Voice section, you select a narration or speaker's voice. Interestingly, you can even change the speed of the sound through voice speed to make it more in line with the rhythm of the video. If you wish, you can add background music from the Add Background Music section to make your video more professional and attractive. You can also apply additional and advanced settings in the Additional Settings section so that the output exactly meets your needs. When you have completed all these steps, all you have to do is click on the Create Video button. At this point, the system will start processing, and depending on the complexity of the video, it will take a few moments. After the video is ready, you can edit it. You can change the script text, replace the images, or create new ones. The important thing is that all the images and videos are produced with the highest quality and utmost precision. Finally, when you are satisfied with the final result, you can download the video. The output quality can also be from 1080p to 4K depending on your choice. This means that without any other external tools, you can produce high-quality videos with global standards using only Voila AI. Now that the videos are made, it's time to see the results. You can watch the videos you've made and see how they perform. In different sections, I've introduced a variety of ideas for faceless YouTube channels, each with potential to generate revenue. You can choose any idea, watch the related videos, and use them to start your own channel. These videos are not only high quality but also ready to be published and get real views. So start now and take the first steps to launch your channel. Good luck until the next video.
Ever wondered what would happen if Cristiano Ronaldo stepped into a Minecraft universe? Picture this. The legendary CR7 sprinting across a massive stadium built entirely of blocks, each pixel perfectly aligned in true Minecraft fashion. The crowd, made up of thousands of square-headed spectators, erupts as Ronaldo performs his signature stepovers. The blocky grass beneath his feet parts with each precise movement. The pixelated soccer ball dances at his command, defying the cubic physics of this world. Suddenly, time slows down. Ronaldo leaps into the air, his body rotating in perfect form. The cubic ball spins through the digital atmosphere. Sew! The ball explodes into voxel particles as it hits the back of the net. Even in a world made of blocks, some things remain unchanged. Ronaldo's unstoppable talent and that iconic celebration echoing through the cubic arena. This is where gaming meets football greatness.
Ever wondered what happens when pop royalty meets the pixelated world of Minecraft? Picture this: Taylor Swift, but make it blocks. Welcome to the most epic Minecraft concert ever built. A colossal stage stretches across your screen, with massive pixel art displays showing Swift's iconic moments. Thousands of blocky players jump in perfect sync as enchanted note particles float through the air. Redstone-powered light shows paint the night sky, while Taylor's avatar performs her greatest hits. Diamond blocks sparkle under dynamic lighting, creating a dazzling display that would make even the Ender Dragon stop and stare. The crowd's usernames float above their heads as they wave virtual glow sticks, creating a sea of moving lights. Firework rockets explode in heart shapes, painting the cubic sunset in red and gold. This is where gaming meets music history, a concert where every block tells a story and every pixel creates magic. Want to see more impossible Minecraft builds?